Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable notifications on Discord for your Android smartphone device. So if you do not want to receive mobile app notifications, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that off. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And you want to select where it says apps. Go ahead and select that. And then select where it says see all apps on this page. Go down to the Discord app and select it. And where it says notifications, select inside of here. And if notifications are turned on, click inside the oval one time until it's grayed out to disable them. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.